All right, ladies and gentlemen, greetings everybody, and welcome back to our channel. So, still on openloot Trump Billionaires airdrop. In this particular video, I'll be showing you guys how you can be able to list your NFT in the NFT marketplace, sell at a very good price, and get a buyer immediately. All right. So, for those of us that participated in openloot, you guys know that the rewards we got it's not only the Trump tokens, they also still rewarded us with different NFTs, like different NFTs in different values, right? So for those of you guys that has not withdrawn your Trump token, I've already made a video on how you can be able to withdraw it very safely. That is the video before this particular one on our channel. So go ahead and watch that particular video so that you know how to withdraw your Trump tokens to any exchange of your choice, right? This particular video will show you guys how you can be able to list your NFT in the NFT marketplace and sell it immediately. Then once your money drops, you still go ahead and withdraw it as well. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to come to your profile right here. That is where everything starts. So you come to your profile, you click on my collection, then tap on my collection, then come to this place that I wrote marketplace items. You tap on it. So this is where you are going to be seeing the NFT that you got rewarded with. So people got rewarded with different NFTs in different values. So in my own case, I got 2 NFT in the rare section, right? So in this particular video, I'll show you guys how to list it and get yourself a buyer very quickly. So once you are in this collection, in this my collection, the next thing you have to do is just to tap on it this way and wait for it to open. This is how to list it and sell it in the NFT marketplace. So once it opens like this, the next thing you have to do is just to come to this one that says sell. All right, you tap on sell, then you wait for them to bring this next interface. All you have to do is just, you can read this, it's by choice, you can read it or just forget about it. Just click on I understand, then you come right here and put the price that you really want to sell your NFT. All right, so you can just list it at any price that you want and sell it for yourself. But this is the best way to sell it. Before you go ahead and list any price right here, you have to make sure that you check the amount of let's say you have to check the price that other people are already selling that particular NFT that you have, so that you can be able to list way better than them and get buyer very, very quickly for yourself. So this is how to check the price of the NFT in the NFT market, in the NFT marketplace, right? So you have to do is you just have to come back. All right, click these 3 dots right here, tap on it, then tap on marketplace, then tap on NFT marketplace. So you wait for it to load up. So once you are in NFT marketplace, the next thing you have to do is to come to this particular button right here. So you tap on it. So after tapping on it, you change this big time to Trump Billionaire. Tap on it and choose Trump Billionaires Club. Tap on Trump Billionaires Club. All right, so it has already changed to Trump Billionaires Club. So the next thing is to scroll up and select the value of your rarity, which is the NFT that you receive. So these are different types of NFTs. They get common, uncommon, rare, which is the one that I received. They get epic, legendary, mythic, exalted, exotic, transcendent, unique, and so on and so forth. So you just have to pay attention to the one that they gift you. All right, so you will know. So my own case, they gifted me rare, so I just have to tap on rare, then click on apply filter, then I wait for them to bring me to the marketplace. So hope you guys can see, these are the 2 NFTs that I got, this one, and this particular one is starting at $38, while this one is starting at $27. So everything approximately right here is over $60, right? So this is how to check the amount of starting price that every other person has been selling it. Like, this is just the value right here. So you can just tap on it, tap on the main name to see more about the NFT. All right, so this is the maximum supply, just 9,900 pieces, and the rarity is rare. Then scroll up right here to see more about the sales. All right, so you scroll up and you see the starting price. So hope you guys are seeing it. The starting price right here, let me take this back. So the starting price right here is, let me scroll up a bit, is $38. Hope you guys are seeing it. $38, $38, $38, $38. Then this one has already changed their own to $39, $39, 39.50. The more you are going up, the more you'll be seeing higher prices. All right, so hope you guys are seeing it. 39.99, It even goes as high as $40. Hope you guys have seen it. Some people are even selling it their own NFT at $40. So you have to check the amount your competitors are selling, then you will know the amount that you place your own, so that you will get buyer very, very quickly. All right, so you hope you guys have seen that the starting price right here started from $38. So you can still decide to go and place your own at $38 or lesser. You understand? You can place it at $38 or just reduce something small, okay, so that you will be at the forefront right here. So anything you place will be the starting price, but make sure that you don't price it very differently from what others have started selling. So you can just remove little dollar or little cent from it and place your own. So let me just go back. Let me come back to my collections, so that I'll go and place my own in the marketplace. So I'll come back to marketplace items. So let me just place this particular one. So we all have found out that this particular one started from $38 and this one started from $27. So I'll be starting from this particular rare and I'm going to be listing it in the market. So I'll just click on sell item. Okay, I'll click on I understand. Then I'll just come right here. So in my own case, I'm going to be listing my own at $37, so that I will fall at the forefront of the market. So you can decide to list it at that amount that they are starting, or you can just list it a bit below. You can even list 37.5 or 36 or 37, but just make sure that you are not far from what others are selling. So I will be pricing my own $37. I'm okay with that. So once you are done putting your price, the next thing is just to click on sell item. Now they say selling item. Are you sure you want to put this item on sale? They say listing have you up to a 2 minutes delay before being displayed publicly. So you have to delay up to 2 minutes before they will display it publicly. So I'll just tap on confirm. All right, they say enter the security code. Click get code below and get a code. So I'll just tap on get a code and I will get the code that they sent to me from my recovery email. So let me just minimize and head straight to my recovery email and get the code. So for those of you guys that are getting it twisted, they are not going to be sending the code to the email that you used to farm openloot. They are going to be sending it to your recovery email. So here it is. The email is right here. Then the code is 508811. I'll just come back right here and put it 508811. All right, so I'll just click on submit. All right, you guys can see success. Your item is on sale. So in the next 2 minutes, they are going to be placing this my item in the market, and immediately I'm going to be getting a buyer. All right, so you can view your listing right here. This particular one, they say cancel sale if you wish to cancel, but I'm not canceling anything. You click on view sale. You can view listing. I mean to say view listing, so that you will see it in the listing, but according to them it will take up to 2 minutes before it will appear. All right, so that is just it. That is just basically that. So I've already listed this particular one, and that is exactly what I'm going to be doing in the second one as well. So this particular NFT is already in the market, so I can still go ahead and list this second one in this particular video. Let me come back and let me come back a bit. Okay, so I've already revised back, and you guys can see that my NFT still remain one right here. So let me just go ahead and place this particular one in the market as well. Okay, so this particular one says rare. So let me go back to the NFT marketplace and check the amounts of this particular one, so that I'll be very sure. I'll tap on sorry guys, NFT marketplace. Then I'll search right here. Then I'll scroll up, click on big time selling Trump Billionaire. Then scroll up a bit. I will get my rare. Then tap on apply filter, right? So this particular one is starting from $27.90. So I hope you guys have seen something. So this particular one that I just placed right now has already shown face in the marketplace. Hope you guys are seeing that the starting price has changed from $38 to $37. So if I open it this way, let me open it so that I'll show you guys. Let me open it. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, I think it's still opening. Okay, so here it is. It has opened. Let me scroll up. Let's see this starting price of the market. Hope you guys are seeing it. This is the particular one that I just placed right now. Oh, this thing don't go back. Let me open it again. I think my network is fluctuating, but this is just it. This is just it. So the starting price has now refreshed to $37 because of this particular one that I just placed right now, which is rare. Let me try if it will open this time. Let me see if it will open this time. All right, so hope you guys are seeing it, that the starting price is no longer $38, it's now $37 because of this one that I just placed right now. Hope you guys are seeing it. This is it. This is the one that I just placed right now in the market, and I gave it $37. So very quickly right now, I'm going to be getting a buyer for this particular NFT, and immediately I get a buyer, they will notify me immediately that my NFT has been sold, and they are going to be crediting my account very quickly. So let's go and place the second one in the market. Let me bring it up. Rare right here. Let me apply filter. Okay, so now the next person that even placed his own right here has already placed it at $28. So you guys are seeing it. It's no longer 27.9, it's already $28. So if you still open it, you will still see the more. Okay, so me, I'll be reducing $1 from what they started with. So the starting price, okay, select and buy, is still loading up. All right, so it's still loading up. Let's see. Okay, so here it is. The starting price right here is $28. So me, I'm going to be listing my own at $27 so that I will get a buyer very, very quickly, right? So I'll just come back to my NFT marketplace. I'll click on my collections. Let me revise back. All right, so you have to take your time when doing this. I'll click my collection, then wait for it to load up, then I'll click marketplace, then I will now select this particular second one. So I want to list everything in this particular video. So this is how you list your own. So the choice is yours. You can sell at any amount, you can sell higher, you can sell below, you can sell what others are selling. But for you to get a very fast buyer, you have to sell a bit below what others are selling. So the highest price there is $28. So I'll be placing my own at $27, right? So I'll just click on sell, I'll click on confirm. All right, let's wait for them. Now they say success, your item is already in the market, right? So they don't really need to send me a code for verification again because I've already done verification in the first one. So now as it stands right now, all my 2 NFTs are already placed in the market. So all I have to do right now is just for me to wait for buyer, and once a buyer purchases my NFT, they are going to be notifying me through email, and once the buyer make payments, my money is going to be reflecting in my dashboard right here. So when my money reflects and I will make withdrawal, I'll still come back right here to show you guys. So this is how to possibly place your NFTs in the NFT marketplace and get a buyer very quickly and get your money. So that is just that in this particular video. So if you really found value right here, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button so that this video will go far to a lot of people that need this particular update. And if this is your first time coming across our channel, kindly consider subscribing and turning on your bell notifications so that you don't miss out on any important updates on our channel. So see you guys in our next video. Stay safe, enjoy your Sunday, and bye for now.